Somo utumishi Girls mabende ne owitonge mane kinde mane mach ne omuocha kendo ne owango od nindo masikuno ne wiki odichieng' mano ma kawuono e kaunti mano ma Turkana. Fortune Aimaya ne owitonge mane jumbe ariyo mano kata maloyo jumbe ariyo mosekalo ka bende jotelo kaachiel kod jogo mane oyoro nyasi maket koda mano ne okwayo mar mondo mi jogo mitudo kod midhiero no okawnegi ondawo mager mar chik.
In her final moments, during the tragic school fire, she displayed remarkable courage and selflessness, choosing to help others despite the danger she faced. Her actions reflected the love, faith, and generosity that defined her life.
My beloved Fortune, no words can express the pain of losing you, the emptiness you leave behind, and the love that will never fade. As your father, I had dreams of watching you grow and build a beautiful future. But though those dreams were cut short, the love we shared will never end.
Nitaomba na kusisitiza, Bwana Rais, tafadhali ona vile utakompensate wazazi ya hao watoto 16. Isikuwe tu namna hiyo. Najua kwamba hiyo compensation haitarudisha mtoto, lakini heri hivyo kuliko kuacha tu namna hiyo.